In this video I'll show a Seagull glider I built using scrap cardboard, thin styrofoam from plates and assembled with white glue. The glider has an 11-inch wingspan and I used tulip puffy paint and acrylic craft paint to detail the nose. I first cut the body out of cardboard. Next, I cut out the wings and feathers from thin styrofoam plates. I then glued the wings together adding dihedral. The wings are now ready for the feathers. I then glued the wings and tail to the body. Next, I detailed the nose using tulip puffy paint and acrylic craft paints. This also added some needed weight to the nose to help balance the glider.
Alright, Fluffy, you ready for another test flight of the Seagull Glider? What do you say? Not too interested? Alright. Here we go. That was a good one, don't you think, Fluffy? What do you say? I'm just ready for another neck rub. This sweet guy. Okay, here's another little test flight here at the Seagull Glider. I got Peanut here and Pumpkin. Are you guys ready, Pumpkin? Hey, you're not too interested? I think you probably just want some more treats, right? Yeah, okay. Here we go. Wow, that was a good one. What do you say, Pumpkin? You just want some more treats? What do you say, Peanut? Yeah.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.